bycam on the side of the house. So yun lang. I just wanted to do a quick check-in just to let everyone know na I'm on my way.
Kung pwede mo
Yeah,
bang i-landscape yung phone mo?
landscape. Dali. Nasa car ako eh. Dali.
Ayan.
Yan, okay
Yeah.
na. Okay na.
Okay.
Ayan.
Sige.
So,
Alright.
mahina lang po yung signal nyo. Kung sorry, naguguluhan kami ano po ibig sabihin nyo na pupunta po kayo, pero ang Senate, postponed daw po ang BICAM. Ano po ibig sabihin nun?
Kasi on the part of the house talaga, 'di ba? We adhere kasi to the uh
nasa biyahe siya.
nandun na yung mga contingent eh. Ay, nasa biyahe. I'm in the car on the way. I'm in the car on the way to PICC. So as far as the house is concerned, we want to push through with the BICAM today. Kasi yung sorry, I'm in the car kasi. I'm in the, yeah. Sorry about that. Nasa Skyway.
Nasa Skyway na siya. Malapit na.
Mahina ng signal.
Sorry, mahina ba yung internet?
Mahina po kayo.
Oh no.
Kung tutuloy ba ninyo kahit walang mga senador?
Po? Technically,
Kung itutuloy nyo ba yung BICAM kahit walang mga senador?
technically, we cannot continue with the BICAM kasi diba when you resume or you suspend a BICAM, each house would say on the part of the House or on the part of the Senate, this meeting is resumed. So, sa amin kasi, as far as the House is concerned, we want to push through with the BICAM today. So that's where we are. That's why, as you would see po, there are already 5 BICAM conferees there in PICC. And I'm also very, very near PICC also. So, ang alam ko, baka 10 kami na nandoon ngayong araw. 10 out of the 11.
Pero kung si Rafi po ito sa GMA7, kinoordinate po ba ito sa inyo ni Senator Win Gatchalian? Because sabi niya, kinoordinate po daw yung postponement sa inyo.
Hello? Sorry. Mahina yung internet. I'm so sorry kasi I'm already near PICC, but I just wanted to give this this heads up na I'm already on my way to PICC and there are already 5 or 6 conferees on the part of the House that are there.
Kung Mika,
So tuloy po ma'am, tuloy po kahit may postponement ng Senate.
On the part of the House, we want the BICAM to happen today. To push through. So hopefully I'm talking to I'm going to have a conversation kasi with Sen Win regarding this, but yun talaga, the conferees are already there. I'm also on my way, so we'll be in PICC.
So,
Yun. So yun po muna siguro kasi I'm already
Ma'am, you talking about
sorry. Sorry po. Yun po muna siguro kasi I'm already near PICC. I can also do an in-person interview.
ma'am, sorry, may I clarify?
Yeah.
Vivian, ABS-CBN.
Sorry. Yeah, go ahead.
Opo. Ma'am, is there a chance na matuloy pa po yung BICAM today? Kahit sinabi na po ni Senator Win na postpone.
The only way for it to continue is if to postpone or not attend on their end. So, yun lang yung only way po. Yun lang yung tanging paraan na matuloy siya.
If ever ma'am na hindi matuloy today, may epekto ba yun sa kabuuan ng BICAM? Possible ba mag-reenactment na lang?
Our Senate counterparts will be there also. But yeah, we'll be there po.
Ma'am, can we get an assurance that this will not result in a reenacted budget?
Oh, yes, most definitely. We are, sabi naman ni Senwin, I also second what Senwin said, which is we are working on it. We are finding solutions to the matter, di ba? We are also going to confer with DPWH as to the best way forward. So we will continue to work on it. Definitely hindi siya deadlock na unresolvable. We are working on it to make sure that we're able to pass a budget on time.
Ma'am,
So
hello
ongoing
po.
discussions lang.
Saan
Yes,
po,
hello?
saan po tayo sa budget exactly may deadlocks po?
Actually, the main point of contention right now is with regard to how the the savings for di ba po, tulad po na sinabi kahapon, pare-pareho naman po ang paniniwala ng DPWH, ng Senado at ng Kongreso na kailangan talaga makat yung overpriced na component doon sa pricing ng DPWH. Doon lang po tayo nagkakaproblema sa kung paano po i-apply. At which point, I wouldn't even say it's a deadlock. It's really we're trying to understand the best way to go about this. Kasi ayaw naman po natin na may mga projects na maging unimplementable. Pero sa kabilang banda, gusto rin po nating siguraduhin na overpriced doon sa presyo ng mga proyekto. So, I think I wouldn't say it's a deadlock. I would say
Nandiyan na siya.
sorry, I'm so sorry. I'm moving kasi ako.
Ma'am,
Hello?
hintayin na lang po
Yeah.
namin kayo dito sa 4th floor. Hintayin na lang po
Yes.
namin kayo. Thank you po.
Yes, sorry po. I was explaining at length
Okay.
yung sagot po doon sa tanong kanina, but I'm so sorry po, naputol pala in the process.
Fifth floor
Pero
po.
yeah,
Fifth ba?
Fifth floor po.
fifth floor. Sige. Kasi one floor up kayo, 'di ba? Oo, sige. I'll be there. Yun lang, I just wanted to give notice na I'm also on my way because the BICAM conferees are there. So nagwa-wonder siguro nasaan na. Naipit lang po sa traffic, ang lakas-lakas ng ulan.
Kung requesting din po pa-livestream po yung inyong interview sa PICC.
Sige po, I will let the our tech team know po. Or secretariat. Okay.
Same request po,
Sige,
ma'am. Live stream po sana. Thank you po.
Yes. Thank you. See you later. Sorry about the internet connection. Salamat po.